Sunlight sprinkles upon the earth, capturing beautiful moments with a camera, inviting you to join today's journey. Hello everyone, I'm Emily. Bidding farewell to days of continuous rain. Finally, good weather has arrived, eagerly embarking on the journey, inviting you to join. Cooking at the Cingshuei Geothermal Spring, Tiansongpi Station, Luodong Forest Farm. Same scenery, different experiences, discovering the endless possibilities within oneself. If you enjoyed today's journey, please help me, subscribe, like, and share. Entering Cingshuei Geothermal Park, the air is permeated with a faint smell of sulfur, intermingled with the aroma of food. Carrying bamboo baskets, eggs boiled in hot springs, corn, water bamboo shoots, chicken with mushrooms. Experience a hot spring cooking feast. No admission fee to enter the park. Parking is only NT $50. Spending over NT $100 in the vending area, you can rent a bamboo basket for free, but a NT $200 deposit is required. Buy whatever you want to eat. Put the diet plan aside for now. I admire the good weather today. Enjoy it to the fullest. While waiting for the food to cook, you can go to the nearby foot bath, foot soaking. As for each item, the time needed to cook is provided. There are instructions on the wall to remind visitors. The important thing is, there are numbers on the bamboo baskets. Remember your number, so as not to mix them up during cooking. Do you prefer runny egg yolks or cooked ones? I prefer them slightly cooked. The temperature of the hot spring is quite high. Be careful not to burn yourself. In the early days, this was the Geothermal Plaza of the CPC Corporation. In 1976, the CPC Corporation drilled here for exploration, discovering rich geothermal springs. In 1981, Taiwan's first geothermal power plant was established here, setting a new milestone in Taiwan's geothermal industry. Early visitors could only cook in the Wild Creek geothermal springs. In order to provide visitors with better recreational space, the Yilan County government built the Cingshuei Geothermal Park in 2011, and it was restructured and reopened in 2018, becoming one of the most famous attractions in Yilan County. Our food is ready, and it's steaming hot. The hot spring eggs are super creamy. It's hot. The food cooked in the hot spring has a rich aroma and a unique flavor. So fragrant. Delicious. Do you want to try it? You must come and try it. Yilan Plain, surrounded by mountains on three sides, facing the sea on one side, lacking the hustle and bustle of Taipei metropolitan area, but abundant in the tranquility of natural landscapes. Coming here really makes one feel exceptionally relaxed. From the movie The Sound of Rain, the romantic location where the female meets her first love. From the idol drama Autumn's Concerto, which was filmed here. Tiansongpi train station is a must-visit hotspot when visiting Yilan. This place used to be one of the stations of the Taipingshan Forest Railway, primarily for transporting timber, but also had the responsibility of carrying passengers. It has now ceased operation. The former hustle and bustle are no longer present. Japanese-style ambience, nostalgic blue wooden station, electric mini train with a steam locomotive appearance, pulling 2 mini carriages. It can even sound a whistle and emit smoke. Old mailbox on the platform, ticket window, a timetable for travelers to commemorate. The station still displays old items, early vinyl record player, and the driver's relaxed and humorous conversation. There are various facilities in the park: wishing pavilion, time waiting pavilion, Train time tunnel. Turntable. Self-challenge zone. The mini train here is so beautiful. I'll take a ride too. Arriving at the Luodong Forestry Culture Park, how can we not have a bowl of Linfield meat soup? It's already 3:20. We need to hurry. Otherwise, Linfield meat soup might be closed soon, and we won't be able to eat it. Speaking of the origin of Linfield meat soup, during the prosperous logging period in Taipingshan, many forestry workers carried timber down the mountain, hungry and tired. Just a bowl of steaming hot meat soup warmed the stomachs of the lumberjacks. The reputation of Linfield meat soup gradually spread in the area. High-quality black pork hind leg meat, coated with a thin layer of sweet potato flour, then boiled in a large pot. With the first bite, the sweetness of fresh pork fills the mouth. I don't know if it's because I skipped lunch. I'm gobbling it up, without a chance to savor it slowly. Park opening hours are from 8 o'clock to 17 o'clock. Luodong Forestry Culture Park. Formerly known as Taipingshan Forestry, it was a place for timber processing, storage, and office buildings. This forestry was once the largest of Taiwan's 3 major forestries. Hinoki cypress lying in the storage pond, awaiting transportation to the next destination, perhaps becoming the main beam of a roof, or maybe rustic furniture. Grateful for your selflessness and contribution. Not every type of timber is suitable for submersion in water. As the primary tree species at the time, the tree species of red cypress and hinoki cypress, which are resin-rich species, these resins can prevent moisture from entering the wood and causing rot. That's why they could be submerged in water. The storage pond was formerly used for storing raw logs. With no more logging today, the remaining wood has become a habitat for waterfowl. The dead wood in the pond is arranged in a picturesque manner, creating a unique atmosphere. Timber unloading platform, wood transported by train, is unloaded into the water storage through the timber unloading platform and slid into the water. Japanese-style dormitory cluster. Wooden buildings exude a strong Japanese flavor, full of unique charm. Restored by the Forestry Bureau, now occupied by shops. There are quite a few cute shops to explore. Passenger cars of the Forest Railway. Floating islands in the pond provide habitat for birds and other wildlife, rich in ecology. Vintage steam train. Once used in the forest, gallop of historical heroes, representing a period of history and an era, not just a means of transportation, but also memories in people's hearts and emotional connections. Yilan Station. As time goes by, Yilan Station is no longer in use. Sunset. Golden sunlight shining on the old Japanese dormitories, as if through time, leading people back to the prosperous era of the past. And these dormitories are witnesses of time. Century-old fortress used to guard the forest. The park is close to Luodong train station. When the train passes by the lakeside, the reflection of the carriages on the lake creates ripples, adding a special vitality and charm to the lakeside. A special vitality and charm to the lakeside. If you haven't been to Yilan, you can't truly appreciate the beauty of Yilan. Cingshuei Geothermal. Tiansongpi Station. Luodong Forestry Culture Park invites you to step into the mountains rivers and streams of Yilan, feel its cultural atmosphere, and taste the local delicacies. I'm Emily. Did you enjoy today's journey? Please subscribe, like, share. See you in the next episode. Dinner time is delayed again. The aroma and texture of the steak not only fill the stomach, but also bring overflowing happiness